Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious Irish potato punch. Okay, so first you're gonna cook your Irish potato. Okay, and the same water that you use to cook the Irish potato, that's the same one you're gonna use to make the blend. Okay, so we're gonna pour potatoes, then we're gonna put our cinnamon or vanilla or evaporated milk or condensed milk, a little cinnamon, okay, and of course a little white rum. Okay, it's optional, so if you want it you can use it, if not it's okay. Alright, but anyway, it's delicious. Okay, so we're gonna pour our water. Okay, so this is our delicious Irish potato punch. So I'm gonna have a taste. Delicious. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.